Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high messy curly bun in less than 2 minutes. To start, pop the hair into a high ponytail and then I'm going to apply some dry texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I'm going to split the ponytail in half and bring it forward, and then I'm going to use my fingers to spread it out around that elastic band evenly. Then we're just going to grab hold of the base of that elastic band and then secure it with another one over the top. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that little bun we've made apart. The messier the better. Then just go around the outside of that bun and secure it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Now with the tail ends at the front, I'm just going to give them a little back comb, and I'm going to slip a bobby pin right near the end, and I'm just going to twist this down towards the bun and pop it in, and then use your fingers to stretch it out. With the remaining loose ends, I'm just going to curl these towards the bun. So once you've curled everything that's hanging down, it should look something like this. And I'm going to leave some curls out, but I don't want that many, so I'm just going to slip a bobby pin onto the end of certain sections, twist it up towards the bun and just slip it inside. Then pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head to loosen everything up a little bit. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.